Asylon secures $26 million Series B for robotic security innovations. Asylon, a dynamic robotics company based in Philadelphia, has successfully secured $26 million in its Series B funding round, a noteworthy achievement that has raised eyebrows in the tech world. The investment, led by Insight Partners, also included contributions from Veteran Ventures Capital, Allegiant Ventures, and the GoPa Fund, signaling strong confidence in what Asylon is offering to the market. What sets Asylon apart is its focus on Robotic Security-as-a-Service, or RaaS. The company's innovation involves transforming the Spot robots developed by Boston Dynamics into DroneDogs, which are equipped for ground patrol missions. These sophisticated machines work in tandem with Asylon's Guardian software, providing a robust AI-driven security solution that is quite different from conventional methods. DroneDogs are designed to navigate and perform in challenging environments, taking on critical tasks such as detecting gas leaks and identifying harmful chemicals. This groundbreaking technology presents a viable substitute for human patrols and traditional K9 units, distinguishing Asylon from other players like Knightscope, which have been exploring similar avenues. The company, established in 2015, is not new to the funding scene. It previously garnered around $21 million. With this latest influx, Asylon's total funding now approaches $45 million. The increasing need for enhanced facility security is a driving force behind the company's growth, mirroring the rapid advancements in drone technology made by companies such as Skidio. Originally starting as a drone-oriented venture, Asylon has adeptly broadened its scope to include robotic guard dogs, tapping into a new market niche. Their RaaS packages are priced between $100,000 and $150,000 per year, reflecting the value of the high-tech security solutions they provide. Asylon currently employs 65 individuals and has deployed its innovative security systems across 15 states, illustrating a promising trajectory in the robotics industry. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this automated approach truly a superior alternative to traditional security methods, or are we sacrificing the human touch in critical areas of safety? What do you think? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Robot Guard Dogs: How Asylon Raised $26 million to Revolutionize Security. Imagine a security team that never blinks, never calls in sick, and can sprint on 4 mechanical legs or soar overhead at a moment's notice. That's the world Philadelphia-based Asylon is betting on, and its vision just attracted a fresh $26 million in Series B capital. The new round is led by Insight Partners, with Veteran Ventures Capital, Allegiant Ventures, and the GoPa Fund also joining the party. If the names sound unfamiliar, think of them as the money behind some of tech's fastest-growing upstarts. Their backing pushes Asylon's total funding to roughly $45 million, still modest compared with some flashy drone rivals, yet more than double what the company had raised before. Asylon began life in 2015 as a drone-focused outfit. Its claim to fame was a flying robot equipped with a tiny arm that swaps its own batteries, meaning the drone can stay on duty far longer than a human pilot could manage. But here's where it gets controversial: the firm didn't stop at the skies. Spot, Boston Dynamics' famous yellow robot dog, has been retrained, reskinned, and given a new badge as Asylon's DroneDog. Outfitted with sensors and tethered to the company's Guardian command and control software, these robo-canines. Asylon achieves 250,000 robotic security missions, revolutionizing automated surveillance. Imagine a future where security isn't just about human guards but also about intelligent robots patrolling and protecting our critical spaces around the clock. Asylon has just hit a monumental milestone in this robotic revolution, surpassing 250,000 automated security missions with its DroneDog and Guardian platforms. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the growing acceptance of robotic systems in ensuring the safety of commercial and critical infrastructure sites across the United States. Norristown, Pennsylvania, Asylon, a leader in robotic security, has announced that its advanced DroneDog and Guardian drones have completed over 250,000 automated patrol and response missions. The groundbreaking DroneDog alone has covered more than 150,000 miles in real-world operational settings. This remarkable achievement underscores the increasing reliance on robotic solutions for 24/7 perimeter security. But here's where it gets interesting: Asylon's integrated platforms aren't just about surveillance. They're designed to perform scheduled patrols, respond to alarms, and conduct post-incident assessments, essentially serving as a powerful force multiplier for on-site security teams. According to Brent McLaughlin, co-founder and COO of Asylon, reliability is what sets us apart in both the robotics and security industries. He added, achieving 250,000 missions and 150,000 miles with DroneDog is a reflection of our DroneIQ software's capabilities and the trust our clients place in our robotic security solutions every day. The DroneDog platform, built on the Boston Dynamics Spot robot, is enhanced with Asylon's proprietary PupPack and DroneIQ software, allowing for both remote control and autonomous operation. It can follow pre-programmed patrol routes or react instantly to alarms through AI-driven detection. When paired with Asylon's FAA-compliant Guardian drone system, customers gain a seamless air-and-ground security solution that seamlessly integrates with their existing video and alarm systems. This innovative approach is resonating across various sectors. For instance, financial institutions like Citizens Financial Group have been using DroneDog and Guardian for over 3 years. John Gomez, Vice President and Physical Security Manager at Citizens, praised Asylon's reliability and responsiveness, stating, "Their team integrates smoothly into our daily operations. They're more than just a vendor, they're essential to our security strategy." Behind the scenes, Asylon's Robotic Security Operations Center, RSOC, oversees deployments nationwide, from bustling urban campuses to remote industrial sites. The company credits its ongoing software improvements, proactive maintenance, and the expertise of its RSOC team for the success of its robotic patrols. As we look ahead, Asylon's continued growth signifies a shift towards autonomous security solutions becoming not just feasible but indispensable in today's ever-evolving threat environment. So, what do you think? Is the future of security best served by humans, robots, or a combination of both? Share your thoughts in the comments.